Jones with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And I've got something today from China. 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 This is a Jintang sour and hot powder. And what's this brand? It's like Oh, it's so tiny. Shan Wang Tan? Something like that. Whoa. Is everything going okay? Wow, that was weird. I just noticed this thing is just like glitching out. A lot of problems with this GoPro. I'm not too thrilled about that. Anyways, I'm just gonna dump all this stuff out. And we're gonna get this sucker ready to go. Pumpkin flavored noodle from China. So it's Monday here, and the day is just flying right by, let me tell you. Mondays always do for me. I guess I'm lucky in that respect, because I think a lot of people don't have that happen for them on Mondays. Got some interesting unboxables. Okay, here's the noodles. Let's see, is there a fill line? There's the fill line right there. Going with 5 minutes. I really can't tell. But it looks like we've got powdery. I think I'm going to be doing this in the right way that it wants me to. It's hard to tell. Some vegetable matter. Comes with a fork. Yeah, from what it kind of looks like there is you put in the dry stuff, then you add the wet stuff and stir it up. Which is weird because usually you add in everything. No, you add everything in. Okay. Powder looks kind of white. I'm guessing it's not. I don't know, maybe it is sour powder. So liquid. Dooba-dooba-dooba-dooba-dooba-doo. There's a lot of this kind of music now on, what do you call it? On Epidemic now. Which I'm a fan that they're coming out with all this different world stuff. I like that. Please bear with me. There's a lot of sachets here. And finally, hold on a second, Memester. Did you finish up? Oh, look at that! My daughter finished her lunch. And peanuts. How you doing? Good. Here is your drinky drink. You're welcome. Okay, so we got everything in here. And I'm going to add the freaking boiling hot. Okay, so right about there. And doing 5 minutes on these. Okay, and way down. So yeah, so we'll do our quote of the day from the guy who invented the instant noodle. That would make sense. It is the time when we do that. Yeah, Momofuku Endo speaks. Quotes from the man who invented the instant noodle. Ooba dooba. Number 298. Wait. Okay. Number 298. Being married is like sharing a boat. If the couple fights and both pound against the bottom of the boat with iron rods, they will both drown. True. There's been very little iron rod pounding in my marriage. Our relationship is wonderful currently. Nothing worse though. If we do have like, are you already done with that? Well, go play. It's gonna be time for school in about 45 minutes, sweetie. Love you. Yeah. When we get grumpy with each other, it just like destroys me. I can't even function. It's like generally doesn't happen though, so that's a plus. But yeah. Got 2 things to unbox, and somebody sent something else. James from California. And I've tried one of the things that he sent. I already peeked inside the box. He sent me tons and tons of stuff. Thank you, dude. But this one, he said he found them at his 99-cent store, and they're these Likum Ki bowl looking things. I tried one. I was thinking like, this is gonna be good. Likum Ki makes really good sauces. Oh my god, it was that close from being 0 stars. So hopefully the other ones are better. I want to say it was like either Dan Dan or Chow Mein that I tried, but it was, oh god, it was vile stuff. But that's okay. I mean, it's something I haven't tried, so I'll try it. You know, that's my thing. It's like, oh, you didn't like it? It's like, no, that's fine. I don't expect that I'm gonna like everything. You know, if I don't like it, that's not a negative thing. That just means I don't like it. That doesn't mean I didn't like trying it. A lot of people have trouble to get past that. Another thing people have trouble getting past is the fact that I don't use chopsticks. Drives them insane. I don't know. I put up a post on my my group ramen junkies. I was all holding my new cleaver. And it's like, yeah. So if anybody wants to give anybody crap about utensil use again, I'm so sick of it. I'll chop you off the group. 5 people just couldn't handle not being like little twerps about the whole chopstick thing. And it's like they're all white people. I don't get it. It's like I would think, you know, it's like I don't know. I would think it would be if you really cared about it, you'd maybe be like a ramen chef would have a thing with it. Somebody who was Japanese. I really haven't gotten anybody that's not white have like a big issue with it. There was one guy, because I mentioned it was like it's all Westerners. And this one guy said, "Well, I'm Native American." I was like, "Well, you're still Western technically, right?" I don't know. You're West. What?
It's not funny.
It's not funny? Oh. Okay. Go on, peanut gallery. Time to go to child prison. Okay, stay out. It's hot stuff. Hot stuff in the Ramen Raider kitchen. Go, go, go. Get down. Here we go again. Time out. No. Let's try. So this is supposed to be like pumpkin. Some nice little bits. A lot of Szechuan pepper. And kids that won't shush out in the living room. Shush! Ooh. That's pretty spicy. I think the pumpkin is in the broth, not the noodle. What's that? Oh, that's a peanut. Mm-hmm. I'll give it one more try. Dude, that's hot. All right. It's not bad. Definitely thought-provoking. Out. I even know what it sounds like when they're like thinking about coming in here. I don't know, have you guys been dealing with the whole remote school stuff? Thing with my wife and I, she's not okay to send them back yet, and I kind of am, but it was like early on in the thing, we like sat down, we were talking about stuff, and I was like, look, I'm not gonna give you any guilt if you're not ready. It has to be a joint decision. She's not ready. That's fine. This is kind of tricky stuff now. Can't really use that, can I? I could. It's not like I want to refreeze it. I could just try using it tomorrow, but... That's the biggest problem with these varieties. There's so much broth. So there's like nowhere for all the stuff to like hang out. And this is like totally not standard stuff for Chinese noodles, but why not? Gotta do something with it, right? I mean, this isn't bad. This isn't something I will get again. Not that really there's anything I want to get twice. I mean, come on, you piece of crap. Get where you need to go. That's, I gotta say, is the hardest part about noodles like this. They're just like really hard to photograph. Only thing I could do is like get, excuse me, get rid of some of the broth, which I guess I can do. So I want you to be able to see the noodle, but this isn't really it's a very brothy thing. That might do it. Yeah. Okay. God, stop smashing stuff and making ridiculous noises, children. Alright, Rotato, make some happy noises for us that we... Alright, well that is that for today. I want to thank you for watching. Yeah, I'll have some new stuff going on tomorrow. Probably some more Japanese stuff. Maybe something from Malaysia. Yeah, I'll have to do an unboxing. And maybe some weird forks. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe, we'll see. Yeah. Alright, this has been Odds Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.